Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire, CaptainSoot.com, and FireplacesRUs.net. I'm just going to give you a little quick look at the Pacific Energy. This is the Neo 2.5 wood-burning fireplace insert. We have this outfitted here with the stainless front, also available with a black front. This unit here it's a pretty large firebox or a flush-mounted wood-burning insert. It's 2.5 cubic foot firebox. It's a pretty large viewing window as well. And it's a pretty contemporary looking insert, pretty modern. It's also available in a 1.6 version. This is a 2.5. The 1.6 is a smaller firebox, so if you don't have the space in the fireplace for the 2.5, you could go with the 1.6. You can see the specs there. These guys are both rated a little bit over 80% efficiency. On the 1.6 is 1.6 cubic foot of the firebox, and this is 2.5, like I said. So it gives you a couple little options here. So if you like the way it looks, it doesn't fit in your fireplace, but you can go with the smaller one. And this is our controls down here. This is a non-catalytic unit, so this is a single lever air control. To the right, you push it to bank it down. Swing it over to the left for high burn. And adjust your heat and your air input with that. Here's our fan controls here. So that's the off. Now this is a thermostatic disc when you have it on auto, so it won't turn on until the unit reaches proper operating temperature, high, low. So it's a variable speed. Or you can put this on manual as well. We generally recommend you keep it on auto. If you turn it on manual before the unit reaches operating temperature, it takes a long time, for it to reach proper temperature because you're wicking a lot of the heat off of the fan. The fans are very efficient on these. The heat comes out of the top here. See the cool little grate. So let's take a look inside here. All right. So what's kind of cool about these is this is your baffle up here on the top. This is a very heavy stainless steel baffle. A lot of other companies using, fiber of some sorts or vermiculite baffles. This stainless here, I don't know whether it lasts longer, but it certainly gives me the feeling that it's a bit more sturdy than what you would expect out of a fiber baffle. So you got a pretty big interior here. They say it's an 18-inch maximum log, but if you're willing to bet at an angle, you'll get considerably larger than that. Yeah, secondary air holes there coming through. I'll take a look at the latch here on the door. This is kind of a nice latch system, rather than the dog and the catch on some of these. It hooks on you here. Gives you a nice positive feel. Really pulls the door in to make a good seal when you close the door. So this is the Pacific Energy. This is the Neo 2.5 wood burning insert. Like I said, this is shown with the stainless, but you can do it in the black as well, and it's also available in the smaller version, which is the 1.6. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-855-485-4015. And again, this is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire, CaptainSoot.com, and FireplacesRUs.net. Thank you for watching.